So I'm going to be changing the brake shoes on a Yamaha TY80. This is a 1974 model. If you can see there how warm they are. So it's definitely time to change these. These are the new pads I've got, shoes. They're an aftermarket. So I'm going to start by taking these two springs off here. Just move the wheel. So I'm going to take the two springs off there to release the shoes. So I've removed the springs from the shoes. Okay, I didn't get any springs with these new brake shoes, so I'm going to reuse these. Put that side in. So they're both the springs in. Okay, so we've got the new brake shoes in now. If I activate this brake lever, you'll see the pads open. So I'm just going to put this back in the wheel now. So before, I was getting the brakes weren't binding at all, even on full adjustment. So I can see now, even if I just put slight bit of pressure on the brake lever, that they bind. So it's pretty simple. Any questions, drop me a comment and I'll answer them. And thank you for watching.